here's the last one, and you'll see in some of the questions that come up later, there is an issue of, well, what's the difference between a limited liability company and an S corporation? So first of all, let's just do one thing. Take the S and the C corporation, and for legal purposes, let's make that go away. It's a corporation, which S and C is just the tax status of it, or a limited liability company. Well, here's the difference. Remember I said to you that if they get a judgment against you and you have an appropriately designed LLC, I cannot get any managerial control, I can't reach inside and take your property away, and I can't force you to make a distribution. So Bill, that means I have an LLC, I have properties in it, I can buy more properties in it, I could do exchanges, even though there's I can't get in, I can't get in. I can still operate. But if it's a corporation, what do I own? Say you own stock, right? I don't care if it's Apple stock, I don't care if it's IBM stock, or it's McBill stock, okay? I get the stock as a creditor. If I get the stock, what do I get? I get control, and I can liquidate all the assets. So therefore, there is a big difference between a limited liability company and a corporation. Now, understand this. I don't mean to confuse everybody. The LLC that you form for tax purposes, structured properly, we can tax it as a C corporation, we can tax it as an S corporation, or in some cases, we can tax it as a disregarded entity, as Bill was talking about. So it's not the tax issue, because an LLC really doesn't have a tax bracket. We pick it. But what's important is, even if it's taxed as an S corporation or taxed as a C corporation, I still can't take it away from you. Why would you operate a business in such a way where we could have it taken away when we could operate the business in such a way that you cannot take it away? And for those of you that have existing corporations, the question is, CPAs are with me on this one, oh my God, can I turn that corporation into a limited liability company? I can, but I do it in something which we call a Plan F reorganization, and in a Plan F reorganization, it allows me to change the corporate structure where we could take the stock away to a limited liability company where we cannot take it away without causing you one additional penny in tax. As a matter of fact, you don't have to do books, records, and minutes anymore. So I think that there's a lot of things that need to look at from financial tactics. So financial tactics is great. But financial tactics, just to sum it up a little bit, need to be married with some legal strategies and legal tactics to make sure that it's adequately protected. Because we have seen sometimes the best laid estate plans done, and then our client prior lost all their assets in terrible litigation, and there was no estate left to distribute. So I think we need to consider the protection of everything that we do at the same time that we get it done. Thank you.